our company represents on market the technology and equipment for production of soft, round, seamless gelatin capsules. All kinds of vegetable oils and many kinds of animal fat can be placed inside a thin but strong gelatinous shell, which reliably preserves the contents for a long time. Our technology has no waste product and is the most efficient at cost of the finished products. If you have oil or animal fat, then getting our equipment and technology, you can easily produce round-shaped capsules with diameter of 1 to 10 millimeters. You can also smoothly adjust the weight of the capsule to the required. Gelatinous shell can be painted in any color. To start up business, you need to have the desire to produce capsules and small premises. The specialists of our company will give you a detailed description of our equipment features, make recommendations on preparation of your premises, help with finding raw materials, adjust equipment, and train you to work on it. We send the equipment and delegate our specialists to customers all over the world.
Our company offers equipment and technology for the production of soft, seamless capsules. At present, we have two capsule shell technologies. This is a classic gelatin technology and a new innovative technology of capsule shells made of plant material. We use a plant material called agar-agar for our capsules. This is an alga-based material. The technology will be of interest in the production of capsules for the Eastern market, for the market of Arab countries, for Muslims, vegans, and vegetarians, and wherever the use of animal gelatin is not required. We present this technology on the global market as we are the only company possessing such a technology. In addition to the technology, we have developed an automated encapsulation line that allows producing these products. We have developed our automated line, which is entirely made of stainless steel, ensuring compliance with the GMP standard requirements. You can easily certify and validate such equipment at your production facility and use it to manufacture products of the same quality as the market leaders. Our compact automatic line is a unique offer. Today, there is no analog equipment on the capsule market in terms of either cost or performance, or uniqueness of the shell composition and material. We are the only company that has achieved it. Many important parts of our equipment have a European certificate, which is very important for customers from Europe, the USA, and Canada. We use a Chinese-made reactor for gel production. But this is the only factory we have found in China that can produce equipment certified in Europe. The encapsulator itself is fully manufactured by our employees and our workers at the production facility in Minsk, Belarus. We carefully test each machine before sending it to customers, thus guaranteeing workability of this equipment for 200%. Same as before, any of our customers have the opportunity to invite our adjuster to visit their facility. Within 5 days, he will commission and set up the equipment, train the personnel, and give some advice and recommendations on how to use the equipment. I am very proud of the result that we have achieved together with my team. Behind my back are the years of research, the work of our designers and process engineers. So far, no other company offers vegetarian capsules. This is a very interesting product. I hope you will appreciate our efforts, become our customers, and build your business together with us. Do not hesitate to contact me. I will be happy to answer any of your questions. All the best. I'm Roman Tsibulsky.